Hi, my name is Aurelina Cerón Rosado. I'm a student of Corporación Universitaria del Caribe SECAR. In this video, I show you 15 sentences written in IPA that contain vowel and consonant sounds. Let's start. Pronunciation workshop. First, the wind is blowing strong on the mountain. Second, my uncle left the city 2 days ago. Third, my boss travels to Cali on weekends. Fourth, on Sundays, I like to have breakfast at 9 a.m. Fifth, the artist painted a picture but lost his favorite color. Sixth, I bought a new TV yesterday. Seventh, in the hospital, there are many patients waiting their turn. Eighth, I'm going to study at Chris' house tomorrow. Ninth, the wedding ring was too small for the bride. 10th, the boy plays with his car in the park. 11th, the priest left the church 3 months ago. 12th, I kept your jacket in the closet. 13th, there are many fish in the river. 14th, I will send the email to the teacher tomorrow. 15th, the bear ran scared and hid in a cave. Thank you.